Important key points of this lecture include: what is accrued expense? Accrued expense adjusting entry. What is prepaid expense? Prepaid expense adjusting entry. Accrued expenses are outstanding expenses. Expenses that have been incurred during the current year, but have not been paid till the end of the current accounting year, are known as outstanding or accrued expenses. Example: suppose rent $3,000 has been incurred during the current year, out of which $2,500 paid during the current accounting year, but $500 has not been paid till the end of the current accounting year. Outstanding rent $500 is not recorded at the end of the year. Adjusting entry will be: rent account debit $500 and outstanding rent credit with $500. Effect on final accounts. The adjustment will have a double effect on final accounts. Outstanding rent $500 will be added to the amount of rent, and the total amount $2,500 plus $500. $3,000 will be debited to a profit and loss account, and the sum of $500 will also be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet as outstanding rent. Prepaid expenses. The expenses which have been paid during the current accounting year, but the services or benefit against them have not been received till the end of the current year, are known as prepaid expenses. Adjusting entry will be: prepaid expense account debit, expense account credit. Effect on final accounts. The adjustment will have a double effect on final accounts. It will be deducted from the concerned expense in profit and loss account. In the balance sheet it will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet as prepaid expenses.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.